my YouTube people. By 10.
Fixed, but I'm fine now.
Oh, you serious? You are not serious. She and the body.
You can't even see me. Cause all that is need is be on you. I'm just saying like me. Yeah, fine that you call and you talk to the good girl. I'll see my world with you. You can take some time. Take yourself to me. I'll be honestly. Open your eyes and see.
We are all here though, so it's
I think. Mindful. Say hi, Hezbollah. To my YouTube people. Pregnant. This is the pregnancy, guys. Come back. I'm not saying that. I see a customer. Why? We are coming to do Selemanai. Madam, do Selemanai. Selemanai. How do you get Selemanai? How we do the camera? How are you move? What are you? Oh, you serious? You are not serious. She and the body.
Africa Independent Television.
Africa Independent Television.
AIT, that communication, Open TV. For this country, they make great history.
Africa Independent Television.
AIT, that communication, Open TV. For this country, they make great history. Mama, Papa, oh, AIT now we stay.
Is it 2 eggs and towel? Did I say towel?
Oh, you said good.
Yeah, I said good. I be yours hasn't come, so you can still cancel. Oh.
It's not finished like that. Hey, so if you complain, then they will bring the food there. So if you complain, then they will bring the food.
Even Didi, don't worry. You dip your hand inside.
You can take the shoe while we are waiting.
It's giving. Rate Tree and the other 5 or a 10.
I'm fixed, but I'm fine now. When we came, see, literally 1 hour. So we complained to the people, and then the food was coming in the line. Can you imagine? They brought the food so to impress us. Service is a half star, half of 1. And the soup was nice. It's the soup. The soup was specially made for us. The soup was nice. The food was soft. Oh my goodness. But it wasn't hot. Was it hot?
No,
Like, it wasn't hot.
it was warm.
I'm sure they did the food and they put it down. Their saka was dirty.
Out of a 10. 10.
The food made me forget. solid 10.
Solid
It
10.
was nice. The sauce was just nice. Just gave.
See, you want to know the chef.
It's really A too. So we waited an hour for the food. We used 30 minutes to eat it.
Yes. We waited for almost 2 hours and it's only 30 minutes.
We didn't know there were
But then I'm actually full because I drank the soup to my heart's concern. But it's like the soup we were playing with us. So they bought us a drink first so that we cool our hearts. We didn't get it. We cool our hearts for 1 hour. That's nice. So, but the food was nice.
You've also said your piece. Please say your piece.
Initially, I begged because I'm trying to celebrate my birthday. Then you didn't even know. You know, the drink was 7:29. Then I was sipping this drink. Then 1 hour, running with my hand. Then 2 hours, I think I must. This is not me. And I took matters into my own hand.
Your own hands. Okay, continue.
I called them. I said, can't do this one. Can't bring the bill. Let us bring the bill. Bring the bill. Let us pay for the drinks. Can't do the taking.
We cannot. We can't.
Then we saw them in line. You're picking your food.
We have to talk first.
They were waiting for us to come.
Yes.
We complain for them. But I don't know what it was delicious. It was on point. It's actually
I'm shaking it.
it was nice.
Woo! All right. Hey.
I brought some water to buy now. Oh, well, let's check how we decide.
Africa in event, so you'll be talking, then our reaction. Okay. I'm sorry. Please stop eyeing me. Let's continue.